All right. I'm going to demonstrate on how to rebuild this drum unit. This is DR-512. This is for Konica Minolta C224, C284, C364, C454. This is a black unit, but pretty much they're um, the same way of rebuilding it. Uh, what we're going to do is to replace the cylinder drum, the OPC, and also replace the reset chip right here at the back, and also how to take out the cleaning blade so we can change it. Few things here. When we are replacing, I would recommend that you are going to use latex gloves so that you can avoid touching the surface of the new um, drum or the cylinder, the OPC. All right, so let's begin here. Let's pull this cleaner for the charge unit by removing the head just so that's out of the way. And to begin, we're going to take out 3 screws. One of these screws is different. I think this one right here is different. The one at the right here, the one at the back, it's a different kind. So just kind of remember where you took it out so that you know where they where you have to put them back. So this should come off that easy. All right, next step. We have uh, we have 4 screws that needs to be taken off. Of course, this one is also a different one, so just remember that one of the screws is different, but the rest are the same. This is just for demonstration on how to change the drum. So that should come off, and take this out. Actually, this plastic should go right here, so you would not forget. And on the other end, to take this out, you have to twist this, turn this, basically unscrew it, and you should be able to pull out the OPC. All right, and you have 2 plastic on both ends, remember that. And let me see here, the new one, this is the new OPC drum. It does not come with the rod, so we have to take this rod out and place it in the new OPC. All right, just for the sake of demonstration, we're not using a new one today, but this one just have to remove the pin here using a tiny screwdriver, and that should allow you to pull this out. I'm gonna put it back because we are doing this just for demonstration purposes only, and put the pin back. This is to prevent the rod from sliding out. All right, let me just see here if I can. Actually, we are doing this demonstration for one of our customers who bought the rebuild kit from us. Our rebuild kit comes with 4 OPC drums, 4 cleaning blades, and also 4 reset chips, and that would be the SIM-YK. uh, I can take this out. Okay, all right, so that's all good. All right, so let's move right here. So for us to get into the cleaning blade, we need to take this um, charge unit out. For us to do that, we need to go right here and take out 3 screws. One, that's 2, and that's 3, and that should allow us to take this out. All right, so this one you cannot slide it both sides, so we need to take this plastic out. For us to do that, we need a 20 millimeter Phillips screwdriver. There's 2 tiny screws on the front. Right, and I just want to lift this one right here just so I can hold this out like that, because both ends has this plastic tongue that goes inside of that tiny hole. All right, so we should be able to take this out, the charge unit. All right, this is our charge unit. Now, if you can see, you can replace the 3 cleaning blades. It comes with 3 screws. Unscrew them, and then basically put the new one. Be careful though that you don't damage this film right here when you are replacing the cleaning blade. All right, and we put this back, that, and we place the plastic back as well. All right. So all right, then we screw it back. I can put it back to the right. There we go. And the other one. All right, and then we put this back. All right, now we screw it back. That's one. Make sure that when you're doing this process, this is just for demonstration, but avoid touching the surface of the new OPC drum. So I can touch it right now. This is the old one, but the new one, please avoid touching it. All right. So we slide this in. No, forgot one more thing here. Put this plastic bag back, and that should line up right here. If you can see this tiny got the wrong plastic here. There we go. Alright, it's the right one. This one should go on the other side. Right, that should do it. So we have our new OPC drum in place. By the way, we put this back, just turn it, and that should lock the OPC drum. Then we put this back, and this side right here should be facing up. Should allow us to put the screws back. So we need 4 screws right here. That's 1. That's 2. We have 3. That's 4. All right, so we're almost done. Then we put this cover back, and remember we have you know what, I think I need to move this other screw right here. All right, slide it in, and remember we have this different screw right here. This should go right here, this area. All right. All right. Almost done. Now I'm going to install the handle of this charge unit. I can slide it out. There we go. Install it back, just like that. And the last step is to change the change the reset chip. Okay, that. And when we place the new one, this one should be facing up. See here. All right, that should be all good. So you're good to go. But keep in mind that, you know, I've been touching this, but you cannot touch it with, you know, when you put the new one, because that will ruin the drum with your hands. Oil. Also, the chips, they come with 3 CMY. That means cyan, magenta, and yellow. They go to any color but black. And the only different is the black chip. Other than that, everything are the same. So yeah, you get your new drum, install it, and hopefully it will work on your end. Thank you for watching.